Hi, welcome back. My name is Rekha, and on this channel I share sewing tutorials for the various sewing patterns that I create. Today let's talk about patterns. In this video we are going to look at all the information that is here on these patterns, and then we are going to look at how you can place them onto your fabric for cutting. So let's start. For this demonstration I'm going to use these miniatures just to make it easier to film. So these are our patterns and this is my fabric. I've also copied all the information over here. So let's look at it. Here we have the description of the pieces. This is the bodice, this one the skirt, and here you have the quantities mentioned. So it tells you how many pieces you need to cut out onto your fabric. The arrow here depicts the grain line direction. Basically, it denotes how the pattern has to be placed for cutting. This is the fabric length, and the grain line, which is called the straight grain, are the yarns that run straight along the length of the fabric. So the arrows on this pattern should lay parallel to the length of the fabric. You can cut your patterns out with the fabric laid out open and with the wrong side facing you, or with the fabric folded over. With the fabric folded over, you will lay out the pattern pieces like this. This bodice is in fold, so I'm going to place it on this folded edge. This piece, I can cut it out from here. For the waistband, I'm going to follow this arrow that's shown here, so I'm going to place it this way. This skirt piece is to be cut on fold, so I'm going to place it on this fold line, and the pocket pieces can be cut out from here. You can also turn the pattern around this way. On this fabric I can do that. The print on this fabric does not have a particular direction, but be careful with that because sometimes you might have a print that runs in one certain direction, so placing the patterns in opposite directions might not work in that case. If you plan to cut out your patterns with your fabric laid out open, you're going to place them the same way as before. But since we aren't folding the fabric, we will need to cut two of them separately, and they should be mirroring each other. When cutting two pieces of a pattern for each side, they have to mirror each other, because if not, then you will land up with two pieces of the same side, something like this, which will not work. So basically we need them to be cut this way. For pieces which are on fold like this bodice, we are going to have to trace it, pivot it at the fold line, and then turn it over and then mark the other side. The piece that you cut out will look like this. Remember to also mark out all the darts and also the notches, since you might need them while stitching. And once you have all your pieces cut out, you're ready to start sewing. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any inputs of your own, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, then please press that like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.